first thing we did with our week 1 waltz class is we got everybody into proper dance position, and we talked a lot about the basics and the techniques of the movement versus learning a bunch of fancy patterns in week 1. So the first thing is we get the proper dance frame, and I'm going to show you from a couple different angles. So we want to make sure that the lady is on the man's right half. If you look down, you can see that my leg is going to line up with the center of hers. Now bring it back together. So ladies, when you come into dance position, you will walk in and put your center on the man's right leg. Now, first step we did was balance steps. The man's left leg is going to swing straight forward. Ladies back on her right, and we just move to that position and hold. Then we move back on the opposite foot. So it's left foot forward for the guys, right foot back. Right foot back for the ladies, left foot forward. Gentlemen are going to take a heel lead and roll onto that foot smoothly. Ladies will do the same when they step forward. All of our forward steps in waltz are going to be heel leads. So we did our balance step forward, balance step back, balance step side, balance step side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We also move a little bit closer. We also did our waltz box, starting with the man's left foot as well, ladies right. We did that same exact walking step and pushed straight to the side and closed our feet. We went back on our right, straight to the side and closed our feet. For the men, that's left, 2, 3, right, 2, 3. We counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice these basic boxes haven't had any rotation, and that's just what that is, a basic box without rotation. The word waltz is a German word. It means waltzen. It means to rotate. So right away, we want to rotate this box. Gentlemen are stepping forward on their left foot, so they're going to rotate to the left. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice it took me 3 boxes just to end up in that same spot because they don't revolve completely around just in one set, or they don't make it halfway around. They almost go 180 degrees on each piece, doing them full out. So imagine that we're not doing them full out yet. The amount of rotation varies based on each couple, each man, how much he feels comfortable rotating. We can rotate them this much, and they're appropriate. We want to get real courageous, we can really make those turn. Notice that to make them turn, all I did was go bigger, because I can't go faster, because the music on waltz is just like even timing. It keeps on that metronome. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I can't speed up my steps, but I can go bigger. And that's the way to make it go crazy and rotate a lot. We also talked about our progressive changes forward. And in the first class, we talked about our progressive changes back. The only difference between the box and the progressive changes is instead of going back on our right foot for the man, we go forward again. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to do a box to come back. 4, 5, 6. Progressive changes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice my 1 is a heel lead, my 5 is a heel lead. My 1 goes outside of her leg, my 5 goes between her legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again with the progressive. 4, 5, 6. We also talked about going backwards. I'm going to do a box first to get going backwards. And now I'm going to start with my left foot. Back, 2, 3, back, 5, 6. Back, 2, 3, back, 5, 6. I can come back with the progressive changes forward. I can switch to the back ones at any time. And when I get really good, which we will by about week 3, we can just put those in any order we want to. We can rotate. We can do a back bridge. We can go back into our box. We can do forward progressive changes. And we can enter and exit those at any time. And that's one of our goals of this class, is to have that kind of confidence on the dance floor. See you next week.